لأجلك يا ربي نسعى.
Remember the favors of Allah upon you and how they surround you from above and below, indeed from every direction. Allah challenges us, وَإِن تَعُدُّوا نِعْمَةَ اللَّهِ لَا تُحْصُوهَا. And if you would count the graces of Allah, never you be able to count them. Health, safety, nourishment, clothing, air and water, this all point to the world being yours. Yet you do not realize it. You possess all that life has to offer, yet remain ignorant. You have at your disposal 2 eyes, a tongue, lips, 2 hands and 2 legs. Allah says, فَبِأَيِّ آلَاءِ رَبِّكُمَا تُكَذِّبَانِ. Then which of the blessing of your Lord will you both, jinns and men, deny? Should you forget that you fill yourself with both delicious dishes and cool water, while the pleasure of good food and drink is impossible for some, due to sickness and disease? Consider the faculties of hear and see with which you have been endowed. Would you sell your ability to hear and see for weight of Mount Uhud in gold, or your ability to speak for huge castles? You have been given abundant favors, yet you feign ignorance. You sing about what you do not have, and are ungrateful what you have been given. You are troubled by a loss in wealth, yet you have the key to happiness and many blessings. You contemplate and be thankful. وَفِي أَنفُسِكُمْ أَفَلَا تُبْصِرُونَ. And also in your own self will you not then see? Reflect upon yourself, your family, your friends, and the entire world that is around you. And in the end, I request you to be grateful and thankful to Allah Almighty for what He has blessed us. Jazakumullahu khair.